money gun them before my bust it on, yeah? Alright, else me I end the live. Bam, big up your badness. Wanna send the money. I'ma know him a go see this. I'ma know say him a go know the woman when me attack. Him wish one woman happy birthday where they are foreign. And she send Macka $150 for give your AIDS man. Come make me a reason, AIDS man. $150 the lady give Macka. Thinking mouth to give you AIDS man. And she never give you $1 out of the money. Not even $1 she not give you. She said she not give you none. You remember the woman where you tell happy birthday? Yeah, she sent $150. Suspect, you're supposed to get $150. And Macka take the money and don't give it to you to blood clot. What can go so? You remember the woman, cause remember say you slow, you know, so me have to slow it down for you get it. One money gun people. You remember the woman where you tell happy birthday, where you do the video for and say happy birthday, whatever. And Macka tell me about it, cause me no know about it. And she tell me, so if I lie, me I tell, and she I tell the lie. She said the woman send her 150 US to give you. And she said she not give you the money. Another news again, Uncle Stinking Mouth and AIDS man. Ah boy. Another news again. One other person send money to your NCB the other day. And Macka say, you say AIDS man, say you don't get the money. And Macka say you get the money and have your man a shop off a Fashion Nova and all of the site them online with the card I spend off the money. And Macka say AIDS man, the woman send back the money to you again by your NCB card. You know about that incident there? Talk to me fast. Talk to me fast. No leave nowhere, man. You know about that incident there, suspect? Macka say one woman send money by your NCB card and you call her and tell her say you don't get the money. And the woman for resend the money. This a recently, you know. Recently, just what day. And you tell the woman for resend the money. And Macka says she know in herself say you get the money because your young boy where you mine off the card a shop and Fashion Nova. And I spend off the money. And you tell Macka say to tell the woman to send back the money on the card again. Cause you don't see the money. Cause you can't see the money, you know. Cause through your man a spend off the money on the card, you not go see it. The young boy has spent off the money on the card. So you not go see the money. So Macka said the woman send back the money again for avoid argument. So you get double money. You know about that incident, the suspect? Let me know. Cause one girl can't tell so much lie. People, remember me tell you say for our time I come for him bring her down, you know. Our time coming very shortly. Me a anger them. Very calm, me a anger them. One another story me a getting now, guys. One more money gun for that story, yeah. One more money gun for that story with Uncle AIDS out. One more money gun for that story with Uncle AIDS out. Manares. Minares. So if you don't want to hear that story, alright, Bammy. Story shall be spoken, you know. May I come? Let me drink the soup 1 second. Go and go bathe in the rain and don't come back. I better you not come back in a auntie. Go and go bathe and not come back. Cause the one serious. It's serious. Oh, it got cola. Very, very serious. I'm just wait for see the money go and swipe across the screen for continue. China man, you can come after. That one you serious people, una go shame. Yap, a whole heap of things I keep. You always late. Whole heap of things I keep over here. Alright, my seat come up. Me can talk. Alright. But me still need the money gun, bem bem. Thank you. Anyways, guys on TikTok world, uno never know say Derrick homeless and Derrick take up him money we wanna take and give him a week time and rent young boy house at Portmore. Uno never know that, guys, on TikTok. Me blood clot, you know, joke and a ramp with on a live. Breaking news. Guys on TikTok, you guys never know say Derrick rent room for boy at Portmore while him no live nowhere. Hey! Hey! How the blood clot this? How the blood clot this? Then I saw the whole of over here did full like me. Uno never know that. People, uno never know that. Hey! Me belly bottom. People, uno never know say Uncle Edzy I take uno money when uno send it. And a mine man, where my pay man rent a month time a Portmore. Hey! What is this? And me una really come out? And me una really come out and I have on a file? Una not realize, make one reason. Una not realize say when Battyfish come and Battyfish beg today and make a food. Alright, say for instance, Steph London come shoot down Battyfish where they and give him lion and whatever. Who do not see Battyfish come the next day and beg again? All the money done so quick.